Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. So this video is part of a collaboration that is a Thanksgiving theme. So I thought I would make a whole Thanksgiving dinner with everything from the dollar store. So everything here, I got 9 items from the dollar store and I'm gonna make up a whole Thanksgiving dinner. So you definitely don't have to break the budget by having a really awesome Thanksgiving. I definitely love all the home cooked meals on Thanksgiving, but I wanted to show you this option to have if you are just looking to do a cheap, easy Thanksgiving meal. Everything's from the dollar store. So 9 items and easy and ready to go. So I have stuffing mix, gravy. There's actually 3 servings, 3 gravy packets in here for $1.25. Some biscuits, mashed potatoes. I have some crispy onions to do a green bean casserole. So I have the green beans and I have the cream of mushroom. And then the dollar store had these frozen turkey patties. So I thought they'd be a good option to substitute a regular big, huge turkey for these turkey patties. So I'm gonna get this whole Thanksgiving meal made up. But like I said, this is part of a collaboration with my good friend Valerie. So I'm gonna list her channel in the description box. There's also gonna be a playlist of everyone's Thanksgiving meal ideas. So make sure you check out that playlist. I am so excited that Thanksgiving is coming up. It is so fun to share good food with friends and family. So I'm gonna get this meal all cooked up.